Dear students, welcome to my classroom. In previous class, we learned what is segment of a circle and what is major segment, what is minor segment, and how to find the areas of major segment and minor segment. And also, we solved some problems regarding to these concepts in exercise 9.3. And in this class, we are going to solve remaining problems in this exercise. So the next problem in exercise 9.3 is find the area of the shaded region in the adjacent figure where ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeter and semicircles are drawn with each side of the square as diameter. So here we have the figure. In this figure, ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeters and on each side of this square, a semicircle is drawn like this. So here this one is a semicircle and this one is a semicircle and this one is the semicircle on the side CD and this one is the semicircle on the side AD. Now we have to find the area of this shaded region. Okay. So here, so given in the square ABCD, the side AB is equal to 10 centimeter. And let us mark the unshaded regions as A1, A2, A3, and A4. Here we have 4 equal parts of unshaded regions. So take this one, first one as A1, and the second one as A2, third one as A3, and fourth one as A4. So let us mark these unshaded regions as A1, A2, A3, and A4. Now, the area of shaded region is equal to square of the area minus square of the unshaded region, isn't it? Square of the shaded area is equal to square of the, area of the shaded region is equal to area of the square minus area of unshaded regions. Okay, so first the area of A1 plus A2. So observe this area A1 and A2. So this area is equal to area of the square minus area of these two semicircles. That is, the semicircles are AD and BC. So by subtracting this area of these semicircles from the area of square, we remains with the sum of areas A1 and A2, isn't it? So now the area of A1 plus A2 is equal to area of square ABCD minus area of two semicircles having radius 5 centimeter. As the diameter of the semicircle is 10 centimeter, its radius is 5 centimeter. So the area of A1 plus A2 is equal to area of square ABCD minus area of two semicircles having radius 5 centimeter. And we have area of square ABCD is square of 10, that is 10 square. And area of two semicircles is 2 into half pi r square. We know that area of circle is pi r square. So that area of semicircle is half pi r square. So here area of square ABCD is 10 square minus 2 into, as we are taking two semicircles, area of two semicircles is 2 into area of each semicircle. That is half pi r square. And now we have 10 square is equal to 100. And we can cancel 2. And pi is 3.14. And 5 square is 25. So from this we get 100 minus 25 into 3.14 is 78.5. So we remains with 21.5. That is area of the regions A1 and A2 is 21.5 centimeters square. Similarly, the area of A3 and A4 is also equal to area of square ABCD minus areas of semicircles built on sides CD and AB. Okay, So that similarly the area of A3 plus A4 is same 21.5 centimeters square. Now the area of shaded region is equal to area of the square ABCD minus area of the unshaded region, that is A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. Okay, area of the square minus area of unshaded region. And we have area of the square is 10 square minus area of unshaded region. Area of unshaded region is A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. We have A1 plus A2 is equal to 21.5 and also A3 plus A4 is equal to 21.5. So twice the 21.5 we are taking. So 10 square minus 2 into 21.5. So which is equal to 100 minus 43. So 57. So the area of shaded region is 57 centimeter square. Okay. So take the next one. Find the area of the shaded region in figure. If ABCD is a square of side 7 centimeter and APD and BPC are semicircles, use pi is equal to 22 by 7. So it is similar to previous problem. So in this figure, ABCD is a square of 7 centimeter and on the sides AD and BC, two semicircles are drawn which are meeting at the center, which are meeting at the point P. So in this square, side AB is equal to 7 centimeters. And here the area of shaded region is equal to area of the square ABCD minus sum of the areas of these two semicircles, isn't it? By subtracting the area of two semicircles from the area of square ABCD, we remains with the area of shaded region. So now radius of each circle shown in this figure is 7 by 2 centimeters because the side of square is 7 centimeter. So that the diameter of the semicircle is 7 centimeter and its radius is 7 by 2, half of the 7, that is 7 by 2 centimeters. So now the area of the shaded region is equal to, as we have seen earlier, the area of shaded region is here is equal to area of square ABCD minus area of two semicircles. So area of square ABCD is square of the side, that is 7 square, and area of two semicircle is 2 into area of each semicircle, and area of each semicircle is half into pi r square. So by simplifying this, we get 49 minus 11 into 3.5, that is 10.5 centimeters square. So the area of shaded region in the given figure is 10.5 centimeter square. Okay. So take the next one. In the figure, OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeter. If OD is equal to 2 centimeter, find the area of shaded region. And here we have to use pi is equal to 22 by 7. So students, observe the picture given in the problem. In this problem, the area of shaded region is equal to area of the quadrant of circle minus area of the triangle. Okay. And what is meant by quadrant of a circle? The quadrant of a circle is nothing but the sector with the sector angle 90 degrees. Or we can understand it as 1/4 of the circle. Okay. So here the area of the sector OBCA or OACB. Area of the sector is 1 by 4 into pi r square, and area of the triangle is half into base into height. So we can easily find the area of shaded region. So first, OACB is a quadrant of a circle with radius 3.5 centimeters. That is OB is equal to OA is equal to 3.5 centimeters and OD is equal to 2 centimeters, and the sector angle AOB is 90 degrees. So now the area of shaded region is equal to area of sector OACB minus area of triangle ODB. Okay. So area of sector is x by 360 into pi r square, and area of triangle is half into base into height. So here x is equal to sector angle 90 degrees. R is the radius of circle, quadrant circle, that is 3.5 centimeters. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. OB is radius of the circle. OD is 2 centimeters. So now the substitute all these values in this, then we get x equal to 90 by 390, 90 by 360. Pi is 22 by 7. R square is 3.5 into 3.5. Of OB is 3.5. OD is 2. So by simplifying this one, we get 6.125. So the area of shaded region is 6.125 centimeters square. Okay. So take another one. AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radii 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter with center O. If angle AOB is equal to 30 degrees, find the area of the shaded region. Okay, here OAB and OCD are sectors of two concentric circles. AB, CD are two arcs of two concentric circles. So that OAB and OCD are sectors of two concentric circles whose radii are 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter. And it is given that angle of these common sectors is 30 degrees. So we have to find the area of the shaded region. And we can notice that the area of shaded region is equal to area of the sector OAB minus area of the sector OCD. That is, by subtracting area of sector OCD from the area of sector OAB, we remains with the area of shaded region. So take the solution. Radius of the sector OAB is 21 centimeter. Okay. And radius of the sector OCD is 7 centimeter. And here I am taking radius of this big sector as capital R and radius of small sector as small r. Now, area of the shaded region is equal to area of sector OAB minus area of sector OCD. So area of sector OAB is x by 360 into pi capital R square, because here I am taking the radius of sector OAB as capital R, and similarly area of sector OCD is x by 360 into pi small r square. So by taking x by 360 into pi common, the factor is capital R square minus small r square. Now by substituting the values, we get 30 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 21 square minus 7 square. So 31 the 30 12 the, and 21 square is 441, 7 square is 49, and 22 ones are 22, 12 sevens are 84, and 441 minus 49 is 392. So 22 by 84 is 0.26, and 0.26 into 3.92 is 102.67. So the area of shaded region is 102.67 centimeter square. Okay. So take the next one. Calculate the area of the designed region in figure common between the two quadrants of the circles of radius 10 centimeter each. So here in this picture, ADB and CDB are quadrants of two circles of radius 10 centimeter each. So we have to find the area of this common area, that is area of shaded region. Okay. So given that ABD and CBD are quadrants of circle. So now join B and D. Now mark 2 points P and Q on each arc like this. P is a point on the arc DB and Q is a point on the arc also DB. So given ADQB and CDPB are two quadrants of the circles of radius 10 centimeter. So let us take the area of segment DQB. This area of segment DQB is equal to area of the quadrant ADQB minus area of triangle ADB. That is, by subtracting the area of triangle ADB from the area of sector ADQB, we get the area of the segment DQB. And similarly, we can find the area of DPB. And the sum of the two areas is our required area of descent region. Okay. So sector angle is 90 degrees because we are taking quadrant of circle. Area of quadrant of circle is 90 degrees. So, sorry, angle of quadrant of circle is 90 degrees. Now the area of segment DQB is area of sector ODQB minus area of triangle OBD. And we know that area of sector is x by 360 into pi r square and area of triangle is half into base into height. So here the area of angle sector is x is 90 degrees and the radius of each circle is 10 centimeter and AB is equal to OB is equal to OD is equal to, sorry, here so now area of segment DQB is equal to area of sector ADQB minus area of triangle ABD. So that area of sector ADQB is x by 360 into pi r square and area of triangle ABD is half into AB into AD. Now substitute the values. X is 90 degrees, pi is 3.14, radius of the circle is 10, AB is 10, AD is 10. So by simplifying, we get 28.5 centimeter square. So the area of segment DQB is 28.5 centimeter square. And similarly, we get area of segment DPB is also equal to 28.5 centimeter square. Now, the shaded region is the combination of these two segments. So the area of the descent region is area of segment DQB plus area of segment DPB. So that is equal to 28.5 plus 28.5, which is equal to 57. So the area of descent region is 57 centimeter square. Okay, students, that's all for this class. So that's the end of tangents and secants to a circles. So you must aware with how to construct the pair of tangents from an external point to a circle. That's the important concept in this chapter. And also areas of shaded regions also important for exams. So be aware about the topics. Okay. So we shall meet in next class with a new chapter. So until then, see you. Bye.